Beat around the bush. To avoid talking about something directly. Beat around the bush. Once in a blue moon. Something that happens very rarely or almost never. Once in a blue moon. Sat on the fence. To be undecided. Sat on the fence. Take it with a pinch of salt. Not to believe something completely or to be skeptical about the information. Take it with a pinch of salt. See eye to eye. To agree with someone or to have the same opinion as another person. See eye to eye. Miss the boat. To miss out on an opportunity or to be too late to take advantage of something. Miss the boat.